In the next few videos, you're going to be learning about the different types of cryptocurrency wallets that you could use. Now, these aren't all of them. These are just some of my favorite ones that are really easy to use, have a nice user interface, and will basically be able to help you find out which one is the right one for you.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo.
Hey everyone, Coach K here. I'm going to show you guys how to actually use MetaMask today, which is an ETH wallet, and it's really easy to use. So, first thing you need to do, guys, is go to metamask.io, download or get the Chrome extension. You can see it here. Get the Chrome extension. You can also get the Brave browser, which also you can use this with, but just get the Chrome extension, okay? And that will be good enough. You can also get this on your mobile phone. They just added that as well. It's a very secure as well, so you can use that. All right, so once you got it, let's go download it first and come back. Well, now you're back. Let's look at, once we've downloaded, what we see. So we open it up like this. You guys will have like an I accept, yes, and you might have to make a password, which is good. Do that as well. And I'm going to show you what to do here. So you're going to click up here. You're going to go to settings. You can choose American dollars, fiat, or ETH. You can use state logs. You can have seed words. So these you're going to be asked to write down, okay? These are very important. I've told you this in many other videos. Write them down, put them into locations, very safe. Because if you leave money on your MetaMask and your computer loses it or something, you can still get it back if you have your seed words. Make sure you get them. Even if I try to do this now, it's going to tell me don't do this unless you give me a password. Okay, so it's really important you don't give those away. Your ETH address right here, if you click on that, is your Ethereum address. Okay, so you just click on that, and if you can paste it anywhere, and someone can send you ETH or any other Ethereum token to this address. Okay, you can also send and you can deposit ETH from this address, as well as you can add tokens. So you can search for a token like basic attention token, which is an ETH token, and you can actually select that next and then add it. And then see if you have basic attention token, but you don't. So then you go back to this one. Pretty simple stuff. It's not really hard. And that's basically how you do it. Now there's a couple other things you can do. And let's look at connecting to a hardware wallet. So if you have a ledger or a Trezor, you would just connect here and click connect, and it would look for your Trezor and connect through the ETH network to your ETH address. And then you can move it around, etc. So that's a pretty cool thing that you have the ability to do. You can also import a private key here from another ETH address or another MetaMask address. You can also create a second account. So let's say you have one for your mom, you'd create one for mom, and now there's mom as well. Okay, and then if you click here, you have like mine and mom. Okay, and that's basically it. That's all you really need to know. If you have an account already, you can import it just like that and click on import with the private key. If you ever want to test net, you can go to Robson Test Network like here. And so that's how you use MetaMask. It's a pretty cool tool. And another thing that you can do with MetaMask is you can go to My Ether Wallet. Okay, so we go to My Ether Wallet here. And what we're going to do is see here, we can actually connect to our Ether Wallet right through My Ether Wallet on MetaMask. So it connects to this MetaMask here. And you connect it, and then it actually can show you all your tokens, anything that you have. It will show you all here, as well as anything that you've done on Etherscan. So I haven't done anything with this account yet because it's just a test account, so obviously you won't see that. These are all the things you can use MetaMask and My Ether Wallet together for. Really good, easy tool, and something that you want to use over putting something on an exchange. It's really easy to just leave it in your Mu or MetaMask and use it from there because you hold the private key. So anything happens in the exchange, you're still good. Your crypto is safe with you. And so that's why I recommend doing that.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.